Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to find and watch live videos on Facebook. To do that, open the Facebook application and then get logged in into the account. Once you're logged in, what you need to do is you need to tap on the YouTube kind of icon in between the other on the top. Tap that. Here you will find the videos that you can watch on Facebook. And just beside For You option, you will have the live. Tap that live. So here is the screen where you can watch the live videos. I am not currently being able to show you the videos as my network connection is kind of slow, but this is the place where you can actually see the live videos on your phone. You will find multiple options to watch from. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.